Iinkathi ezirhabako zifuna bona kuthathwa amagadango arhabako. Le ikulumo ehlathulule umlayezo kaMengameli uRamaphosa kwe-ANC esifundeni lesi. Lo mhlangano wesibili kaRamaphosa wabaholi behlangano le esifundeni. Wagcina ukuza lapha emhlanganweni ofana nalo ngo-2018 ngesikhathi isifunde sesiqalene nokubulawa kwabaholi ngokwepolitiki. Kwanje ihlangano le iqalene nomraro wegezi. URamaphosa wethula amahlelo kahulumende ukurarulula umraro lo. Lokhu kuza ngemva kwemhlangano ayibambe umlandelande nekomiti yenarha yegezi kunye nabaholi abavela emkhakheni ehlukeneko.
We know the dire effect that persistent load shedding is continuing to have on our people's lives as well as livelihoods. Workers and the poor are most affected. Without a reliable supply of electricity, companies in the end become reluctant to invest. They just look at our economy and the first thing they ask themselves is the energy. And once they determine that there is no energy, it's pointless to invest. So investments then dry up. Productivity in our manufacturing basis then is dampened. And economic growth cannot be sustained and jobs cannot be created on the necessary scale.
URamaphosa ubonakala nethemba lokuthi amahlelo enziweko azoqeda ukuqindeliswa kwegezi enarheni le njengombana bathole ezinye inluleko ezivela emkhakheni ehlukeneko.
What I have said to the board, I've said in the light of the load shedding that our people are going through now, I would propose that you as the board, and it is the board that must deliberate on this, that you as the board consider postponing this so that it must not be implemented now and negatively impact on our people.
Nanyana kwabonakala aninwa ngamanye amalunga uRamaphosa esifundeni lesi, namhlanje abaholi be-ANC lapha bancancebezile ngokuziphatha kwezinye inthunywa econferenceini yokukhetha ubuholi be-ANC ngomnyaka opheleleko ngoNobayeni.